Sorry, it got disconnected. Where is that? See, intent comma. I can put a simple one here. What is this one means? True. One means true. If you don't want to give like this, you go here. Simply you can create a public or a private variable. What is that variable you want to give means? Let us say result speech. Any name you can give. Result speech. Let us say I am giving equal to 1. So what I can give is I have to give int private int result speech equal to 1, or I can also give static also, static int result speech, and that I can put it here. Result speech. That is one way of writing. And now inside the catch, I want to see if any error is there, because in the Android, if you want to see the error, you have to show it as a alert, and alert in Android is called toast. Toast t equal to, it's a widget. See, alt enter, it is asking, alt enter. So toast dot make text. You are making some text within this context, so you have to say get application context, comma, the actual thing which you want to show. That means if you want to give this message, oops, your device doesn't support speech to text, because certain devices may not be having the plugins. Then after that, what you need to write is comma, one more argument, toast dot for a duration. Let us say length long. You want to put it for length long or short, whatever it is, short. For short time, it will show that message and go off. To show that, you should say t dot show. This is how you can create a toast, a message for your support of that. So now what we have written entirely in this, we have created a recognizer intent in the button voice that can capture Hindi voice, and take it when the button is activated. Now there is one more button. What is that button? There is one more button. Anybody is there, sir? Hello?
Sir.
Yeah.
Send WhatsApp button.
Yeah. Send
WhatsApp.
Send WhatsApp. Yes. So button send WhatsApp. For that also I need a on click listener or not, or I don't need it.
Sanjay, ఇప్పుడు ఈ whatever text we spoke, that should be captured into the multi-line
text box.
Text box. అది మనం అసైన్ చేయలేదు అనుకుంటాం ఇప్పటికి.
ఇంకా చేయలేదు సార్ అది. First we are recognizing the voice. So whatever we have written is only for recognizing the voice and converting into Hindi language. And later we have to assign this into the text box, isn't it? That step still we are pending. Okay, that I will show you how to do that. Okay.
Okay.
So for that, what we need to do is, yeah, what you have asked is a good answer. First, I will complete that. Rather then I'll go to this button click.
Yes.
At the rate override again, and here you need to write something called protected void on activity result, because there is a result that is coming up because of the recognition intent. So this is the method on activity, to put int, one int argument request code, then another argument is int result code, and another argument is intent data, intent, and its object is data. This is how you need to create one data is again it is asking alt enter, so I should say alt enter. So in this, we are giving another thing called super dot on activity result, whether it is available on activity result. So if you take this on activity result, again you have to give this request code, comma result code, comma I think data. This is what we are giving, intent data on activity result. I think yeah, given correctly. Then here I have to use a switch statement for the request code, and in the switch statement to case result speech, then I'll give a colon, then I'll open this entire thing, then if constant expression required, yeah, result speech public static, okay. So it is asking for constant, you see that. So if it is asking for constant, we need to go above, and finally you have to say static, not only static, you have to say final. Final means constant, static and final. So that is there. And one more error it is coming, there is data. Okay, android.content found int required. Okay. Content.intent. So this is that error it is giving. Intent data we are giving.
Data object small intent ఇవ్వాలి.
Small intent.
అంటే స్మాల్ ఇంటెంట్ టైప్ దాంట్లో ఉన్న డేటానే మనం ఇక్కడ ఇంకొక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ లో క్యాప్చర్ చేస్తున్నాం అట్లా.
Yes sir, but where is the mistake there?
డేటా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇనిషియేషన్ లో ముందు స్మాల్ ఇంటెంట్ వాడితే
you mean to say small intent we have to give here?
Small intent,
that is what you are saying.
yes, అక్కడ స్మాల్ ఇంటెంట్
data
and data
and again it is
maybe
I think that is
wrong.
I'll tell you 1 minute.
Okay.
Maybe
Uh-huh.
the thing is
Okay. Okay.
that is capital only.
Okay.
Capital intent. Okay, capital only. Because we are declaring there itself the types intent, but this data, it has gone to something else. I'll go there. Where is data? R dot attribute dot data. This I need to remove. Delete. I think now the error is gone. Oh, now it is giving cannot resolve data. Okay, okay. Yeah. So data makes on activity result. It is there. The problem may be with these things. I think I have to remove this completely and put it below this, isn't it? So the brackets are making the problem. So actually this bracket corresponds to onCreate method. So within onCreate method, I am writing another method. So that is the problem. Now you got it. Within onCreate, I should not write. See, onCreate is there. I should not write another method. So that is the reason why it has given the error. And now, switch request code, I have written it, case result. So here what I need to write here, if. So this all code is for capturing the voice into text box. That's why I am writing this. This is how you can capture the voice into your text box. Result code, we can say equal to result okay. Result okay, these are predefined, okay? And ampersand null not equal to null not equal something is in the data. Then only we have to do. What we have to do? We have to put a array list. Why array list means, see, you would say something, then you will stop. Human tendency is we will again I will talk something. So the entire all those words should be put in an array list dynamically. Array list is a data structure. It can be defined as a string or any data type. Here I want a string because I want a text format. So array list, the data type is a string. I am putting alt enter, and text, that is the text I want to get, is equal to, the intent is data dot. How we will get that array list? Get extra. What I should get? The speech whatever I am giving. How I can get? Recognizer intended dot. The results, how I can get the text results? Extra results. I have to put the extra results. Then only the text will be coming into the data list. Once you got this, now I can assign this array list text content to my what?
Next year.
Can anybody tell? To my text box, multi-line text box. So if my text box is under focus, so what is the name of that? txt underscore regional dot find focus. You have to get the focus of that is equal to simply what? txt underscore regional. If my focus is on that, then I can say txt underscore regional dot append. I can append any number of times. Got it? How I can get? Text dot, how to get from an array list? Get of index 0 plus, after stopping again I want to continue means I should give a space between the next sentence. So text dot get of 0 plus this space. This is how I am capturing my speech results into my text box. And what I have to do additionally means, because this is a switch statement, what I should have? What I should have, sir? After the case, After the if,
And if break
and case.
you should have a break.
Break.
So this is how you have to write a method to capture your text. Then these two are over. Now finally, what is required? One
Send
more
WhatsApp.
button. What is that button? WhatsApp. So for
Send
the WhatsApp, what you need to do? You need to put again btn underscore. What is that? Okay. What is the problem? I should put inside the on create, no? Got it? Because inside the on create only, I have to get those values. Dot. What is that? Now tell me. What do you do on the WhatsApp button? Whether you will swipe it or click it or what? Click. So set on click listener. Same thing. Just like previous above. New. We have to define a interface. What is that? On click listener. Again, there is an abstract class on click view. Now in this, what I have to do? I have to define another intent which carries this Hindi text to WhatsApp. Isn't it? Again, I need a intent which takes the data from this activity and sends it to WhatsApp main activity. WhatsApp main activity. How to do that? For that, I will just declare a string here again, and that string is txt underscore WhatsApp. txt underscore WhatsApp. Now what I'll do, I will put that one here, that is txt underscore WhatsApp equal to, how to get the text from a text box? Give the text box ID. What is txt? Regional, isn't it? Dot, how to get that? This is the method. Get text. Dot to string. The text will be coming as an object. You have to convert it into string. To string. After that, the main part comes here. What you need to do is, you have to write a intent, and this intent I will call it as a share intent. Why? Because I want to share this content from this activity to WhatsApp. Any name I can give for an object. So new intent. Here what I would write is, see here the intent should, in the earlier case, intent has given recognizer intent dot recognize speech, action recognize speech. But in this case, what it has to do? Intent dot action. What is that? Send. You have to send this information. Action send. To where? Where it has to send? It has to send to the WhatsApp.
Sanjay, small doubt.
Yes, sir.
Button send WhatsApp ki set on click listener ఈ మెథడ్ అవసరం అంటే అక్కడ ఏమి అంటే మళ్ళీ వాయిస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రికగ్నైజింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్ అంటే ఓన్లీ టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ లో ఉన్న టెక్స్ట్ ని జస్ట్ వాట్సాప్ కి సెండ్ చేస్తే యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గా సరిపోతుంది కదా. మళ్ళీ లిజనర్
మీరు ఆ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తేనే కదా అది వెళ్ళేది.
బటన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తానే కానీ ఆల్రెడీ టెక్స్ట్ ఏరియాలోకి కన్వర్ట్ అయ్యి రాదా? అది
కన్వర్ట్ అయ్యి
టెక్స్ట్
ఉంది,
ఏరియాలో
టెక్స్ట్ ఏరియాలో పడింది.
కన్వర్ట్ అయ్యింది కదా,
టెక్స్ట్
సింపుల్ గా
ఏరియాలో
టెక్స్ట్ ని మనము వాట్సాప్
ఆ టెక్స్ట్ ఏరియాలో పడిన దాన్ని మనం వాట్సాప్ కి పంపించాలి,
పంపించాలి కదా. మళ్ళీ లిజనర్ ఎందుకు వస్తుంది పిక్చర్ లోకి?
ఎప్పుడు పంపించగలం?
ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ కదా.
ఎప్పుడు పంపించగలం? సెండ్ వాట్సాప్ బటన్ ని క్లిక్ చేసినప్పుడు.
అవును,
అంతే కదా.
ఆన్
క్లిక్
క్లిక్
చేయడం అంటే
లిజనర్ అని మెథడ్
వాడాలి.
సార్ అనేది ఏంటంటే ఆన్ క్లిక్ సరిపోయింది కదా, ఆన్ క్లిక్ లిజనర్ ఎందుకు?
ఆన్ క్లిక్ సరిపోతుంది కదా.
ఆన్ క్లిక్ అనేది
టెక్స్ట్
ఆన్ క్లిక్ అనేది అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ మెథడ్. ఆ మెథడ్ ని మనం మన యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ కి ఎలా పంపిస్తాం? ఆ మెథడ్ ని త్రూ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఉండాలి కదా. ఆ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ ఏంటి? ఆన్ క్లిక్ లిజనర్.
సింపుల్ ఆన్ క్లిక్ ఇస్ ఇనఫ్ కదా.
ఆన్ క్లిక్
లిజనర్ అనే వై డు
ఆన్ క్లిక్
నీడ్
వెయిట్ ఆన్ క్లిక్ అనేది ఇట్ విల్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ ఇండిపెండెంట్లీ. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ అబ్స్ట్రాక్ట్ క్లాస్ ఇన్సైడ్ listener.
Okay.
On click is an abstract method inside the interface. Interface లోనే కదా మనకి abstract methods ఉంటాయి.
Yes.
So that is what, if you want to use that on click abstract method, you have to first make it listen to you first of all. Interface వాడాలి.
Acha. Again listener is required.
Everywhere it is required. Without listeners you can't do any action. Method is not possible unless interface is there.
Okay,
you cannot implement the method inside it.
Sanjay, is there on click method direct independently?
Directly it is not there. It is an abstract method.
On click okay.
Unless you use the interface you cannot use that abstract method.
ఇక్కడ వాయిస్ పిక్చర్ లోకి రావట్లేదు కదా. మళ్ళీ అగైన్ ఆల్రెడీ టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ లో కన్వర్ట్ అంటే వాయిస్ నుంచి టెక్స్ట్.
I think you are confused with this point. ఏంటంటే వాయిస్ రికగ్నిషన్ is another listener. That is another listener. Whereas sending the content in a text box to WhatsApp is another listener again.
And it is also a listener.
Which one?
This one. Sending the content, text content to WhatsApp is again a listener.
Yeah, is a listener. See, this is one way of implementing. See, whatever you are asking, I got the point in it. Actually, if you want to set this interface to all the things, all the buttons, then what you can do is you have to give here above, you have to say extends app compatibility, and you should say implements on click listener. If you give that implements on click listener, of course I didn't give the capital letters, okay, then for each button you can say that button dot this, then that on click listener will be applied to that button. Here two buttons are there. Okay, polymorphism of interfaces can be applied in two ways. One is by setting individual on click listeners, or by other ways implements that listener in the top. Got it? I think that is your doubt. Then you can write directly private void on click if you say implements there. So that listener will be implemented to all the buttons, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, I think that is your doubt. Okay, share intent, this is the object. Not exactly. See, you can't put an interface to one button and use it for another button. That is not possible. For each element you have to implement that interface for each element, because in touch screen what are the main things you do? Generally you click on that item or you drag that item, isn't it?
Yes.
These two listeners must be there. for every element.
Okay.
Yeah. So share intent dot put extra. Now what you have to do is you have to put something like your intent subject. This is optional, of course, intent subject. That means what you want to do. And that I am giving it as some string here, because some data it will carry intent. This subject you may give it or you may not give it. Something like this. Hi, I want to share something. This may not be required. And the next thing is share intent again. Dot intent. This is main thing. Put extra of intent. Dot we have to give extra text. Extra text. This is what we are actually sending. What is the text that you want to send? What is there in your txt underscore, or sorry, txt underscore WA. That is what is the string now, into which you are taking the content of the text box, isn't it? Then you have to say share intent dot set type, your type of message, what you want to type. Generally, we want to Telugu or Hindi. So we'll say plain slash, sorry, text slash plain. If you want to send HTML page, what you have to give? Instead of text, what you have to write? HTML. But here we are sending only simple text. So text slash plain. Then you have to, this is the most important thing. This is because of this step only you are able to open WhatsApp. Intent dot set package. Which package you want to open in this intent? What is the package that you want to open? See, every app in Android mobile phone will be existing in the form of packages. Your WhatsApp is com.whatsapp. This is the package. So now it will understand, your application will understand text to WhatsApp just because of this. Now intent is ready. With this intent, you have to start the activity. Start activity with this intent. Share text to WhatsApp. In addition to this, you can also use a try case if that WhatsApp is not found in your phone. A try catch. What does that means? Start activity, because some phones may not install WhatsApp. Of course, nowadays nobody is create chooser. If WhatsApp is not there, it will ask for you to open some Telegram or some email, other apps. Share intent, comma. Here I can write something. Share to WhatsApp or any other app that I want, something. Then finish that event, try event, and you should have a catch also for the try. And you should say again, activity not found exception. Activity not found exception. Some AE, I'll put it. Then I can give some message here, some toast. What I can give the message means make text. So in this make text again, what is the name of this file? Voice to regional text activity, comma, and you have to say dot this, because this file only. What I should write here is, another thing is toast dot length long or length short, whatever it is. It will show for so much time the message. Could not, what I can do is could not send message to WhatsApp. Now this is what is the total business logic we have written. Now let us say any errors are there in this still, or it is warning only something. Okay, here I should put dot show to show that text message. I think no errors. So this is what is the entire thing we have done for the 2 button clicks. So this is the business logic entirely for this program. Now what I'll do is android.manifest. This is a very important file. It is the configuration file. In this, what is the main activity? See, there is an activity. How many activities are there in this package? Anybody can answer? How many activities? Are you present, sir? Anybody?
Only
Hello?
one activity. Only one
Three
activity. Three.
Only one activity. What is that? Voice to regional text activity. So that is already included in this as activity. And you can see inside that there is an intent filter. In the intent filter, two things are there, action and category. Action is main and category is the launcher. That means whenever this application starts, the first activity that would open is voice to regional text activity, because it is the main activity and the launcher activity. Okay. Other activities, if you have, we should simply list them as activity. That's all. Some name without any in between intents. Now it is giving error because there is only one activity. Already we have given that as launcher activity. Again, we cannot give it. If suppose there is one activity, another activity, you just include it like this. So that is the use of this. In addition to this, in this Android manifest, you can change the icon of your app. See, currently it is @mipmap/IC_launcher. Where is mipmap? This is mipmap. But I want to change the icon as this one, i1.png, a mic type of thing. So what I would like to change is, I'll simply remove this mipmap. What is the folder name? Raspberry. Inside that, i1. See, XML doesn't need any extensions. It will understand whether it is a PNG, JPG or everything. And label of the app also you can change it. If I click on this, the label is changed. See, @string app name. Where is this @string? It will be in values. You go to strings.xml. In strings.xml, this is the name of your app. I don't like this name. So what I'll do, I'll simply say Hindi voice, because we are converting our thing into Hindi voice app. Let us say I'll give this name. So below the icon, this name would appear, Hindi voice app. Now our development is complete now. Now I want to run this and make an APK file and give it to you so that you can execute it in your phone and see whether it is working or not. Okay. So what I have to do, I'll just select the app folder. How to run this? This is the run button. See, if all your code is correct, you would get a green button like this. Otherwise, if any mistakes are there in your code, you would get a red cross mark here on the app. You cannot run that app. Now presently there are no mistakes as far as possible. So what we have to do, you select this app, run it. If you run it, it would choose an emulator called AVD. AVD means Android Virtual Device. This I have created it. How to create it? Create new virtual device. There is an option. Click on that. You select any phone model. You just say next. So this is the phone image that I have downloaded as part of SDK, Nougat. And that I have said next. And I can give one name to this virtual device. Let us say, I want to say voice app emulator, because I want to choose for this. Any name I can give. Then I can say finish. Now this is created. This voice app emulator will be created along with that Nexus. Previously I have some Nexus now. Along with that, this will be created. And one more point, sir. If you want to run your emulator on your laptop, you should have at least 8 GB RAM. 8 GB RAM. Otherwise, what you have to do, you connect your USB cable from the mobile phone to your laptop by enabling USB debugging option in the settings of the mobile. Then that would come here as connected device. Now I am choosing this voice app emulator as my emulator and I am saying okay. Now if I say okay, it would open an emulator for you. See, Gradle build is running. You can see. See, Android emulator. It is opening. This is also called Android Virtual Device. Android Virtual Device. Usually its port number will be 5554. Any error is there? It's taking time. Gradle build running. For the first time, it will run for a long time. Next time onwards, it will run quickly. Why is this error coming here? Or maybe it will settle down. Yeah, settle down. So Gradle is checking the configuration. You are able to see the emulator? All of you are able to see the emulator?
No.